Why risk management is more important than strategy. Let me say something that might surprise you. You can have a bad strategy and still make money. But you cannot have bad risk management and survive in trading. Most traders spend months searching for the perfect entry, but almost no time learning how to protect their capital. And that is exactly why most accounts don't last. Today, we're going to talk about why risk management is more important than strategy, and why it is the real foundation of consistent trading. When beginners enter forex, what do they look for? Best indicator. Best entry model. High win rate strategy. Smart money concepts. Secret trading system. Nobody goes to YouTube and searches, how to manage risk properly. It's not exciting. But here's the truth, strategy helps you enter the market. Risk management determines whether you stay in the market. You can be wrong many times and still survive with proper risk control. But if you risk too much, even being right won't save you. Let's talk simple math. If you risk 10% of your account per trade, and you lose 5 trades in a row, you are down nearly 50%. Now think about what it takes to recover 50%. You don't need 50% to recover. You need 100%. That is the danger of poor risk management. Now imagine risking only 1 to 2% per trade. 5 losses in a row. You're down maybe 5 to 10%. That's recoverable. That's sustainable. Professional traders think in survival terms. Amateurs think in, how fast can I grow this account? And that mindset difference changes everything. Many traders chase high win rate strategies. They want 80%. They want 90%. But what matters more than win rate is risk to reward ratio. You can win 40% of your trades and still be profitable, if your winners are bigger than your losers. But if you win 80% of the time, and one loss wipes out 5 wins, you are not trading. You are gambling. Strategy without risk control creates emotional instability. And emotional instability leads to account destruction. Here's something powerful. Good risk management reduces emotional pressure. When you risk too much, every candle feels stressful. Every small pullback feels dangerous. You panic easily. You close trades early. But when you risk small and controlled amounts, you think clearly. You allow trades to develop. You accept losses calmly. Risk management doesn't just protect your money. It protects your mindset. And trading is 80% psychological. So if risk management stabilizes your emotions, it automatically improves your execution. Professional traders ask, how much can I lose? Beginners ask, how much can I make? That difference is everything. Professionals focus on capital preservation, consistency, long-term growth, controlled drawdown. Because they understand one rule, if you protect your capital, opportunities will always come. But if you blow your account, the game is over. You want consistency, follow these rules. Rule 1, risk 1 to 2% per trade maximum. Never risk an amount that emotionally affects you. Rule 2, always use a stop loss. No exceptions. No hope trading. Rule 3, never increase lot size after a loss. That's emotional decision making. Rule 4, focus on long-term growth, not fast money. Slow and steady wins in trading. If you apply these consistently, you automatically move into the top percentage of disciplined traders. I'm not saying strategy doesn't matter. It does. But strategy gives you probability. Risk management gives you longevity. Without longevity, probability doesn't work. Even the best strategy will have losing streaks. Risk management is what allows you to survive those streaks. And survival is the first goal in trading. So remember this, your job as a trader is not to predict the market. Your job is to protect your capital. Strategy finds opportunity. Risk management protects your future. At Mental Edge Trading, we focus on the foundation first. Because consistency doesn't come from being right. It comes from being disciplined. If you found value in this, subscribe and continue building your mental edge. Because in trading, those who survive, win.